Like I'm being chat, I know.
So it's a bit of a cloudy day and the wind's up, but nevertheless we shall do a little bit of a beach wander. In fact, that's what I might call the video, a beach wander. I might title it Fuerteventura, Caleta de Fuste, a beach wander on a windy day, windy cloudy day. Does that sound good, Shell? Does that sound a good thumbnail title? I know there's a few little bars up there. Are you fancying a drink already, like? Yeah, there's bars and places up there to get food. Yeah. I like this beach area because it's nice and wide. We're not going to go for a swim today because it's just a little bit too cloudy and cool. But what we'll do is we'll probably come down here on another day when it's clear blue skies, sunshine. It'll still be the same beach, just a bit warmer. Rubbish bins there. Don't leave any of your rubbish lying around anywhere. Put them in the bins. It is quite a very clean beach, this one. It's a long, wide beach. Quite solid.
I like the place really.
You like what?
The view of the Atlantic Forest.
Yeah. What day are we on today, Shell? Tuesday? 2025. Can't remember the date. 28th. 28th of January. And there's a few people out here, but as you can see, probably because the sun's not shining as much. Quite a few spare beds lying around. Aye.
The floor is full.
We've just done a bit of a coastal walk around the front. That's another video. This is a beach walk, beach wander. You got some toilet blocks over there. I'll zoom in for you. That block there is a toilet block. So if you're on the beach, or Connors.
And my lanes and
Yeah.
all that area.
Basically you head up that way. So this pathway here. And it'll bring you out where the walkway is. That'll take you up past O'Connor's Irish Bar, Lynn's restaurant, up towards the commercial centre. I was going to say something else there, Shell, you made us forget what I was going to say.
Don't blame me for your memory loss.
No.
I was like,
No, I was going to say something else and you were going on about the Irish Bar. It's thrown us off track. Oh yeah, that's it, toilets. That's what I was on about. There was actually two toilet blocks. I've just shown you one was hidden by that little building. There's another one straight opposite. So if you're down here on the beach, you need a loo or your little ones need the toilet or whatever, you haven't got that far to go, have you? Just a short wander up there. Anyway, flip the camera back around. Oh, I missed it. No, the camera was not rolling. In between having the camera on me chatting away and me flipping it over, Shell nearly tripped over. Which isn't funny, obviously. But it would have been kind of funny. Damn. Missed that one, didn't I? Right, man, who's bothered about what your hair's like, man?
You know what?
What?
You know that water? Is that not there?
Big what?
The water.
Yeah. There's another rubbish bin there. No excuse to leave your rubbish lying around. As you can see, it's quite a clean beach, as I said before. I fancy a swim, but I'm not going to go for a swim because it's not warm enough. There's a beach. See, it's all just like solid bit and then drops. Drops down to this lovely soft sand. Coming away from the beach a little bit now. That wind is starting to pick up again as well. If we get a chance, we'll come back down another day when it's a bit more clearer and warmer. Hey, do you know what it is? You know, when I zoomed into that windsurfer person before, it looked as though his board was above the water.
Right.
I don't know whether it was some kind of optical illusion or it looked like he was on the board, his board was above the level of the water and there was a bit going down like a pillar bit. I'm not a windsurfer, so I don't know. I'm going to have to watch that back again. It actually looked, I don't know whether it was just camera tricky or optical illusion, but it looked as though his board was above the water. Which wouldn't actually make sense, would it? I don't know. If you know, drop it in the comments. Was it one of the bars along here, Shell, that we got nearly ripped off by beer prices?
No, we have like ages and ages and ages.
Yeah?
You get this done, it's just like you just wait for us.
But then did they not try and hang on, that surfboard is above the water, look, you can see it.
No,
It is?
I know.
No.
Because if this is
Hang
going
on.
back to sea, if I'm in the water.
Right, hang on, look. There, that board's above the water. See the stick, like a pillar thing sticking down? Eh?
I have my eyes on.
The board's not touching the water because you would see the splashes of it hitting the water. It's like he's floating above. Eh?
No, it has.
Smile. Smile. Pharmacy.
If you haven't got open.
It looks like it's closed completely.
Yeah. For a while as well.
That definitely doesn't look like a business that is open. Another one, eh?
There's one gone. Oh, there's one get out.
It's getting warmer. Starting to clear. Sun's starting to come out now. Clouds are clearing.
Again.
Yeah,
Again.
again. Nice little wander along the beach. Hope you enjoyed it. We did. See you on another video from this lovely island, this lovely area. You lot take care. Bye for now.